Powder feed center main function is supply the new powder and recovery and reuse the old powder. Low consumption and faster color changes. Step 1. Connect the powder spray gun and control unit by cables. Step 2. Connect the powder spray gun and powder feed center by anti-static powder tubes. Step 3. Connect the powder spray gun and control unit by air tubes for cleaning. Step 4. Connect the powder injector to the control unit with air tubes for dosage. Step 5. Connect the powder injector to the control unit with air tubes for feeder. Step 6. Connect the power source, LN and grounded line.